Before learning this video, you have to learn the first part of this video, otherwise you can't get this video clearly. Today we will learn the second part, windowing and viewing transformation. So what is window to viewport transformation or windowing transformation? So we already know in from world coordinate an area is selected for display is called window. So this is our window. An object in world coordinate there are many objects, but an area is selected for display is called window. This is our window. This is xw mean, xw max and yw mean, yw max. An area on a display device to which a window is mapped is called viewport. So where window is mapped in a display device is called viewport. So this is the viewport window where xb mean, xb max coordinates are xb mean, xb max and yv mean, yv max. So this is the viewport. We get this portion in the viewport. Okay. So now our objective is to how to transform window to viewport coordinate. The objective of window to viewport mapping is to convert the world coordinate xw yw. There is a point within a window. The point is xw yw of an arbitrary point to its corresponding normalized device coordinate system xv yv to maintain the same relative placement in the viewport as in the window. So this is the window. There is a point when we are mapping. Here it is in viewport, in the device coordinate system it is in viewport. So and you have to maintain the same relative placement in the viewport also. So how we can transform? The mathematics behind that is window, it is a window in object space, and it is viewport after mapping. So it is in device space, it is in object space, it is window, it is viewport, it is there is a point xw yw after mapping in viewport it is xv yv. The coordinates are xw mean, xw max, it is xv mean, xv max, and it is yw mean, yw max, and it is yv mean, yv max. This is object space, that is in window, and this is device space, that is in viewport. Now you have to transform window to viewport coordinate. So first, to maintain the relative placement of the point in the viewport as in the windows, you have to write xb minus xv mean. Just take the ratio xb minus xv mean, xb max minus xv mean, xw minus xw mean, xw max minus xw mean. So what is xv? After calculation, we get xv equal to this and yv equal to this. Same for yv, same for yv. So where sx equals to, this is sx and this is sy, where sx equal to xv max minus xv mean, xw max minus xw mean, and sy equals to same for y coordinate, yv max minus yv mean, yw max minus yw mean. Just take what is xv. So xv is here, so xv equal to this into this, so we get this, and where sx and sy is this. Next day we will learn mathematics on viewing transformation. That's all for today. Thank you.